Let's continue our discussion on depression, the acupuncture points. Stomach 40 has a long history of use for mental emotional conditions. It is specially indicated to open the mind's orifices in persons tending to manic behavior. This point has a profound calming the mind action, and it is used frequently in patients who are depressed and anxious. The phlegm resolving of this point should not be overemphasized, overlooking its other functions. Apart from its use to resolve phlegm, stomach 40 can also be used to subdue rebellious qi of the stomach and lungs when the person is very anxious and the anxiety reflects on the stomach function, with such symptoms as tightness of the epigastrium, a feeling of a knot in the stomach, or as some people say, a feeling of butterflies in the stomach. Here is an illustration showing the effect of stomach 40 on the stomach, on the chest, and on the head. So stomach 40, which has a phlegm resolving effect, should not be overemphasized. This point has many other actions. It calms the mind, it opens the mind's orifices, it treats all full conditions of the stomach, it subdues rebellious stomach qi, it treats the epigastrium, it opens the chest and makes lung qi descend when the chest is obstructed by phlegm. It relaxes and opens the chest when qi stagnates here from emotional problems. Next point is spleen 6, San Yin Jiao. From the emotional point of view, it helps to smooth liver qi, to calm the mind and allay irritability. It can therefore be used in depression occurring against a background of liver qi stagnation. However, the mental emotional point of view of spleen 6 has a wide range of action. It can calm the mind and is often used for insomnia, particularly if from blood or yin deficiency. In particular, it is used for spleen and heart blood deficiency when the spleen is not making enough blood, the heart is not supplied with enough blood, and the mind lacks residence and floats at night so that insomnia ensues. Spleen 6 is the point to use in this case, as it will simultaneously tonify the spleen, nourish blood, and calm the mind. If such a comparison could be made, this action is comparable to that of the formula Gui Pi Tang tonifying the spleen decoction. Next point, we have heart 5. This point is used mainly as the main point to tonify heart qi and heart blood, and it is therefore the point of choice for depression occurring against a background of qi and blood deficiency. Its indications include sadness, mental restlessness, anger, fright, depression, agitation, palpitation, and weak heart qi. The use of heart 5 in depression is also connected to this point's nature of being the connecting point of the heart, the Lu connecting point. As a connecting point, it moves qi and removes blockage in the channel. On a psychic level, this means it can lift mood and stimulate the coming and going of the ethereal soul. Next point, we have heart 7 or the Shenmen. This point is used to both lift mood in depression and to calm the mind in anxiety. Its indications include insomnia, poor memory, manic depression, inappropriate laughter, shouting at people, sadness, fear, mental restlessness, agitation, and palpitations. Heart 7 primarily nourishes heart blood and is the point of choice for heart blood deficiency, causing the mind to be deprived of its residence, resulting in anxiety, insomnia, poor memory, palpitations, and a pale tongue. Again, this action could be compared to that of Gui Pit Tang tonifying the spleen decoction. Indeed, the combination of the 2 points, spleen 6, mentioned earlier, and heart 7 closely resembles the action of Gui Pi Tang. Thank you for your attention.